Kwadwolive. Good day, guys. I have my cotton here, my hand sanitizer, and obviously my phone. Yeah. Okay, so today we are doing a very short video on how to sanitize our phone. And because the phone carries about 90% of germs, it's necessary for us to keep it so clean. And since we are in a moment where we have to keep ourselves free from viruses, let's go into it. And that's my cotton. You need a cotton or a tissue or a polishing cloth. And that's the hand sanitizer. It should be alcohol based. Yeah, that's my hand sanitizer. And obviously, like as you already know, you will need your phone to go about this process. Very necessary. Let's move into the whole process. Okay, so you pick your tissue or your cotton, you pluck part of it, and you fold it also into your desired size. Yeah, you fold it and you just put droplets of the hand sanitizer on the cotton or the polishing cloth. You press it gently onto the cotton and you then apply it on your screen. You start with your screen this way. From there you move to the edges. Move to the edges, and since we have a cover, remove it and do the same to the back. Yeah, so just as you can see, that's the whole process. Okay, I'm done. You have to leave it for it to dry by itself, and this doesn't cause any harm to your phone. As you can see, everything is working. The touch and everything is working as it is. You can see for yourself. And don't forget to also subscribe to my channel because there are awesome videos coming up. Also comment, like and share. It's one of the ways you can also help us with what we do on this channel. As you can see, everything is working. But please don't forget to subscribe. It's very necessary. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also share with friends. Peace out.